Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Grace and Gabriel jewelry. Grace and Gabriel jewelry is advertised as an online store that sells stylish rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings at very low prices. The website shows shiny and elegant designs that look high-end, but they are offered with huge discounts, sometimes up to 70% or more. This kind of deal makes the jewelry look very attractive for people who want luxury-looking items without spending a lot. It also promotes itself as user-friendly, with claims of secure payments and easy returns, which gives the impression of a safe shopping experience. The brand positions itself as a modern and trendy jewelry shop, aiming to appeal to buyers looking for affordable gifts or fashionable pieces for daily wear. However, the offer seems to be good to be true, and this raises red flags. The site is very new and does not have a long history, which makes it harder to trust. There are also not many independent reviews for real customers, so it's unclear whether the jewelry shown online is the same quality as what people actually receive. In some reports, customers mention not getting their orders or receiving items that look much cheaper than the pictures. Another concern is that the return policy and contact details are not very clear, which can make it difficult if buyer want to get refund or exchange. Overall, while Grace and Gabriel jewelry looks appealing on the surface, the lack of strong customer proof, the very new website, and the unusual big discounts suggest it may not be as reliable as it claims. It could be a deal for some buyers, but there's also a high risk that it might be disappointing or even a scam. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.